This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Now we will discuss about adrenal glands. There are two adrenal glands which are found on top of each kidney. We have two kidneys, so two adrenal glands are there. The right gland is roughly triangular in shape and the left gland, which is larger than the right, is crescent shaped. Both glands are encased in connective tissue capsule and embedded in fatty tissue. The glands are composed of two clearly distinct parts. These are cortex and medulla. The adrenal cortex produces three groups of steroid hormones from cholesterol. They are collectively called adrenocorticoids or corticosteroids. These are glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, and androgens. Glucocorticoids. The glucocorticoids hormone includes cortisol, cortisone, and corticosterone. The glucocorticoid hormones have several effects on our body. They influence the metabolism of most body cells. They promote glycogen storage in the liver, and during fasting they stimulate generation of glucose, means gluconeogenesis. They also increase the blood glucose level. They are involved in providing resistance to the stressors. They promote the repair of damaged tissue by promoting breakdown of the stored protein to create amino acids. They suppress immune system and they suppress inflammatory process. Mineralocorticoids. Aldosterone is the major mineralocorticoid. Mineralocorticoids regulate homeostasis of two mineral ions. These are sodium ion and potassium ion and help to adjust blood pressure and blood volume. Aldosterone also promote excretion of H ion in the urine. This removal of acid from body can prevent acidosis. Sex hormones. The sex hormones secreted by the adrenal cortex are known as androgens. These are dihydroepiandrosterone, DHEA, and testosterone. All have a weak effect, not full effect, but they play a role in early development of male sex organs in childhood and female body hair during puberty. Second part of adrenal gland, which is inner, is medulla and completely surrounded by adrenal cortex. It develops from nervous tissue in the embryo and is part of sympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system. It is stimulated by its extensive sympathetic nerve supply to produce hormones adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline or epinephrine and noradrenaline means norepinephrine increase the output of heart, which increase blood pressure. They also increase blood flow to the heart, liver, skeletal muscles, and adipose tissue, dilate airways to the lungs, and increase blood level of glucose and fatty acids.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.